Hey, it's Yay for Yarn, and today I'm unboxing the June 2020 Knit Crate. So I got my Knit Crate in the mail for the month of June, but by the time you see this, it will probably already be July. So just keep that in mind as you watch this video. Once June is over, then you will not get this particular crate if you sign up, but sometimes the items from the crate are still available in the shop for purchase as individual skeins or whatever. So circumstances have not allowed them to have like the regular boxes and the regular packaging for a while, but maybe we'll get those back soon. But let's see what's in the crate for this month. Alrighty. So, the theme for this month is Getaway. And this one is in collaboration with Toni Lipsey of TL Yarn Crafts. So she kind of created like the colorways and the patterns that go with it, I think. And let's get to the yarn. So it looks like our extra is a set of pins, sewing pins. I guess these could also be used for blocking if you need to, but that can come in handy for knitting and crochet. And the yarn is Audine Wool's Interlock. This one is one that I don't think I have tried before. And this colorway is called Beaches, a cotton, linen, lyocell, and nylon blend. This feels really nice. Like, it doesn't distinctively feel like just cotton or just, one type of fiber. It has a nice, smooth, soft feel to it, but it has like a light texture. It's not fuzzy or fluffy. It has like a smooth kind of sheen to it, which I really like. I like yarns that have like a bit of a sheen. So I really like the way that this feels. And it looks like a chainette yarn, which means that instead of the plies of the yarn being spun together, they are chained like a chain stitch or like a very small knitted I-cord to create the whole strand of yarn. So I've got 2 skeins of this, and these are 100-gram skeins as always. And the colorway is almost kind of like a creamy yellow, I guess. It's not quite yellow. It's like an ivory or a cream color. And then it's blended with this kind of cool beige type of shade. It's almost got just a hint of purple to it. Not much, but it's just kind of got a slightly purplish gray tone to this beige color. And as the 2 colors blend together, there's like some kind of grayish tones in between there. So yeah, these are very nice yarns. I love the texture of these, and the fiber content is something that would be perfect for summer anyway, so that's great. So although by the time that this video is posted, June will be over and the crate that will be available will be the July crate, you might still be able to get this yarn in the shop on the Knit Crate website until supplies run out. I don't know how long that will be, but I am also super excited to see what we're going to get for July. It's always neat to see what they're going to come up with for the next crate and the next theme. So if you want to try out the July crate and start your Knit Crate membership, you can get 20% off of your first crate by clicking the link in the description box down below and use the coupon code YAYFORYARN20 to get that discount. And I really think that these crates are a great value for their retail price, because normally for the price of one crate, a lot of times if you just ordered hand-dyed yarn, one skein of hand-dyed yarn of the really nice quality stuff would cost more than just the price of the whole crate with everything in it. And I should also mention that this includes several knitting and crochet patterns that you can get via download on the site once you're logged in to their site. So this comes with 2 100-gram skeins of high-quality hand-dyed yarn, an extra item, and then it also includes several knitting and crochet patterns that can be used with this yarn. So if you are a person that likes to play with yarn, make things out of yarn, and try different kinds of yarn that you might not normally go for if you saw it in a craft store, this is a great way to do it. I really love kind of being surprised by the type of yarn that we get each month and the colorway. And if you're not sure if you're going to like the colorway, you can always pick your colorway ahead of time. Before it ships out to you, there's like a cutoff date that you can pick out which colorway of the 3 that go out each month that you're going to get. So you really can't go wrong with this. You don't even have to worry about getting a color you don't like because you can pick. So like I said, if you like to play with yarn, this is a great subscription and I highly recommend you try it out. And don't forget to use that coupon code to get the discount. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have ever tried a yarn subscription in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.